This message goes out to the Credit Crusader and all his little crybabies on his channel. You can run and hide, but you will never escape. Doctor denied.
We interrupt this regularly scheduled program to bring you all a special news bulletin. Jim the Credit Guy has brought to my attention that we've got a new player in town. Dr. Denied, huh? That's cute. I see that this individual has taken some inspiration from myself. After further examination of this person's YouTube channel, though, I noticed that his first video was made the day my channel was taken down off YouTube. And to make things worse, I noticed he just released a video yesterday calling out myself and all of you, saying you guys are criminals and I'm really a villain because I teach you guys about credit and how CPNs work. Now, after taking in all this information, I've narrowed it down to it being one of two things. A, it's Mike, or someone has to do with Mike that's trying to get the scent off his ass. Or B, it's someone who works for a debt collection agency. And if it's the latter, let me tell you something. People from debt collection agencies, what they do is try to intimidate. They'll stop at nothing to try to get you guys to pay debts. They buy it for pennies on the dollar and then try to get you to pay the full amount by wearing on your emotions, by trying to embarrass you, by trying to humiliate you, by trying to intimidate you. So if that's the case, at least we know what we're dealing with. All I'm going to say is, since this individual made it a point to make a special message for me, I find it only fair to make a special message for him. I'm going to tell you something right now, homie. I want you to go and look in the history of my channel and see what I am capable of. You're going to have to do a hell of a lot better than making a video with a mask trying to clown me, trying to imitate me, my followers, my crew members. You're freaking nuts, because I don't let shit slide. I love this shit. I've said it before. I live for this shit. So if you think you're gonna come at me and try to intimidate me and my followers, you're out of your freaking mind. And I'll stop at nothing to give you a war you won't believe. So keep pushing. I strongly suggest you go ahead and rethink what the hell you're doing, because it ain't gonna end well for you. And when it's all said and done, your ass is the one who's gonna need a doctor. Crusader out.